All right, over here at the Chevrolet parking at Gingerman Raceway.
White with black hood insert.
I know, that's right. GM Performance. All right, we're back with the Z06. You guys may remember this from the night drive we did a few weeks ago. I'm here with the owner, Tom, and we are at Gingerman Raceway in November. It's cold, it's windy, but we are on Bridgestone Potenza S007A tires, and they should get us through reasonably quickly and safely on this track. Z06 with the Z07 package, 2019, 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque, 7-speed manual. Proper car. Needs a key to start. All right, Tom, you've taken us around the track.
Oh, this seat's taller.
A couple times.
I don't fit.
The last time you were out here was in a Viper.
Yep. Your
5th gen. You sold that, you bought this.
Yep.
You got your canards on. Full aero is fitted. Auto rev matching engaged. I like your massive auto rev matching paddles. Part of the carbon fiber kit.
Yeah, I ordered them aftermarket, and I didn't think they would be large, like so much larger than the OEM ones, which were steel like this.
Yep.
And then when they came in, they were gigantic. They do look good though.
They do look good. So this is the first time you've really like pushed this car, you've tracked it. Already it feels good, just in the paddock.
Yeah, that was so I just did about 10 laps or so.
Mm-hmm.
And it's spectacular. I wish there was a way to describe it with more enthusiasm. He's the only one I trust with this car.
Not that we're gonna need to use our mirrors in this, but I'll adjust them just so I can see. Carbon ceramic brakes.
Yes, they're amazing.
We'll warm up the tires, warm up our brain. Ah, Thomas.
It's so good, Chris. What?
A little cone. What steering mode are we in?
Track.
This is track, okay. It's stiff, but it's okay. Head-up display shows me lots of good info. It's so tight, it's so direct. We're just breathing on the throttle and it just kind of shrinks the straightaways. fast.
It is so good. I thought it'd be harder to get speed out of it.
Yeah, no, it's just, it's so balanced, it's so approachable. Brakes are just fantastic. We're just breathing on everything, and it's just amazing. Yeah, wow. Traction control is great, really keeping us in line. There's so much power. It's managing it awesome. Cars that you're never going to be passed in. It's kind of ridiculous.
And it feels like you can do it all day.
Yeah.
Nothing is saying please stop. It's just asking for more.
It really is. And there's torque forever. I'm just going to leave it in third here. We could go into second, but we don't need to. It's big boy power. Wow. How about we open up traction a little bit? Dude, it's so much better than I thought it would be.
Me too.
Holy crap. I thought it'd be a bit of a handful. It's so manageable. brakes.
Yeah.
Oh man, wow. Thanks. That was fun. We'll do a little cool down here.
It has exceeded all my expectations.
Yeah. Wow.
The VTM is really quite impressive.
It's very good. That difference between like dry and sport, the difference was huge. It opened it up.
Yeah.
And then you've got Sport 2, which opens it up even more, and you can always turn everything off if you want, but wow. Yeah, it really kind of lets you evolve as a driver with the car, with the conditions, with your comfort level. I would almost say like anyone could drive this car as long as you have your braking distances judged correctly.
Man, the braking is so strong that you can feel the back of your pants like go against your calf.
Oh yeah, yeah,
It everything.
You're like hitting over a G. It's crazy. Oh man, do you want me to do another cool down, or is this okay?
I'll probably hop in.
All right, sounds good.
I'll do a warm-up lap.
Cool. Man, they're just phenomenal.
Isn't it?
Wow.
It's so well-rounded.
It's so good. I need to put an Alcantara steering wheel on my Type R. I love the way this feels. Wear and tear and hand grease be damned. You just clean it with a microfiber every month or two. Yeah. Oil temps got up to right now they're sitting at 243, but I saw 250. Coolant temp stayed cool. This is a 2019 Z06, so they made a lot of cooling improvements with this. You know, as the years progressed, when the car first came out in 2015, had some cooling issues on track.
Yeah.
This is fine, completely fine. I thought there might be too much power here, but no, it matches the grip, it matches the braking capabilities. I mean, just a supercar for like 80 grand. What else is faster than this for 80 grand? Nothing. That's it. Wow. And you got 25 miles a gallon coming out here.
Yeah. Yeah, before I put the canards on, yeah.
Dude, it's nuts. Well, I'm glad you brought it, and I'm sure you're glad you brought it.
Oh yeah, I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
Whew.
It's an experience. It's exhilarating.
It is an experience. Yeah, you did your first session of this. You got out and you're like, yep.
Yeah, that's, yep.
And this is with a track alignment.
Touch the tire. It's like sticking to your hand.
Oh yeah, sticky boys. Yeah, I mean, these are wearing great today, actually. They look good. Do you know the alignment specs for the track alignment?
He did so in the owner's manual, there's a track prep area.
Okay.
It's actually towards the beginning of the manual in it. We just went with those specs.
Do you know what they are offhand?
I don't.
Okay. But it looks like there's some negative camber. Probably toes zeroed out, roughly. But yeah, you definitely gained some camber in the front and the rear. Turn-in's a lot sharper. It just feels so planted.